All right, so we got another package in the mail from Amazon, so that means we are going to do another unboxing. So this one is kind of a unique product. Let's open it up and see what it is. All right, so this is Frog Fuel Protein. It's like a gel shot. So take a look at it. There's the box. I didn't search for this product specifically. This was something I've seen a lot of Instagram ads for, and I'm kind of always looking for ways to get protein and things like that. So I figured I would buy it and give it a shot. So let's open it up. It's got a shrink wrapped plastic on the outside, and that's pretty much it. So 15 grams of protein per serving, 0 fat, 0 sugar, 0 carbs, gluten free. Anything else on the box here? Nanohydrolyzed collagen for rapid absorption. Let's see. It's got some nutritional value stuff on this side. Supplement facts in the back. There's the back of it. Some more information on the side. So I'm actually going to open this up and try one of these right now, just to kind of see what the thing tastes like. So here's the little packets, and they got more, all the facts and all that stuff on the side. I'm not sure what flavor this is. Oh, berry flavored. So they make this with caffeine as well. I don't want caffeine in mine, so I just got the regular version, but let's give it a shot. Tastes okay. It's a little sour. Yeah, not bad. 15 grams of protein. It's like almost like having candy, but you get protein out of it and no sugar. So anyway, let's jump over to Amazon and we'll take a look at the listings. I'm not going to do too much on the search results page because I was looking for this product specifically by brand, instead of, I didn't find it through a generic keyword search, but we'll take a look and we'll see what they're doing and we'll go from there. So we'll see you over on Amazon. All right, so here we are on Amazon. So I'm just going to do a search like I did before for the brand, which is Frog Fuel. Oops. I'll do Frog Fuel Protein. All right, so you can see they do have a headline ad up here. So they're doing some brand protection, which is good. They got first 2 sponsored slots, and then a bunch of their organic listings. So again, they have this energized and ultra versions with caffeine. So if you want caffeine, you're gonna do it in the morning, then I guess you can go for that version. So anyway, let's check out their listing here. These guys I noticed have a pretty good setup on Amazon here. Their listings look pretty good. Their photos are pretty good. So they're pretty well optimized. So title, brand, regular protein shot. I'm not sure if protein shot has a big search volume or what the results look like. Actually, let's just take a look and see. We'll do protein shots since that's the first one that comes up. So again, they got the headline ad. They got a couple of sponsored slots up top. And then, it looks like they're the #1 organic rank here. So good job, Frog Fuel. Whoever's running this is doing a good job. You're pretty aligned with your social media marketing as well. That's where I found you, but I came over to Amazon. So protein shots, pretty competitive, 3,000 monthly searches. So anyway, let's go back to the listing. Title looks pretty good. They got protein shot right in the beginning, which is a pretty good keyword. The specific type of protein here, post-workout, fat-free, sugar-free. They got the flavor. They got everything right with the title and the commas for their variations and all that kind of stuff. So pretty good job following the Amazon guidance there. Bullet points look pretty good. They're kind of doing the all caps thing here to call out the main points and then elaborating on them. So that all reads pretty nice. And let's look at the photos as well. Again, they did a pretty good job with these infographics here. So daily recovery protein for driven athletes. I think one of the things I liked about this as well is that it's made by Navy SEALs. So they're always looking for kind of on the go, quick, easy protein. Quick and easy, exactly like I just said, convenient and ready to drink. 1 ounce built to fit your busy schedule. No mixing needed. Again, this is like one of the reasons I wanted this product, because you don't have to deal with shaker cups or blender bottles or scooping powder and mixing water and cleaning and everything. You just open it up, get your protein, and that's pretty much it. Rapidly repair muscles and connective tissue. And they've got their ingredients and their supplement facts on here, which is always good to include if you're selling a supplement. Stay unbreakable. Strength is a lifelong commitment. Give your body the fuel it needs. So, I'm telling you all the things you can do: recover, reclaim, recharge, re-energize, and regain your stamina for adventures to come. Okay, use daily for best results. 1 in the morning, 1 before the workout, and 1 after the workout. So they want you to use a lot of this stuff, which I guess is good. We'll see how the stomach handles it later on. I feel like maybe if you take too many of these things, you might start to upset your stomach a little bit, but obviously I can't say that, only trying one just a few minutes ago. So proven, super fast, goes down smooth, won't upset your stomach. All right, well, that's that's what they say. It's funny that I was just talking about it. It seems like these guys did a really good job with their research and their customer, and trying to hit all these pain points that people might have or reservations about the product. So exactly, no measuring, no mixing, no downtime. So these photos do a really good job explaining this. Okay, so that's just a review from somebody. I'm trying to see if we could find something from the actual brand. A lot of these look like reviews. Or let's look at the top and see what we have for ad placements. So we only have just the one here, or 2 placements. This is the one ad here. So they could be doing a better job protecting their listing here, and maybe putting the caffeine option on the listing, even though they already have it up in the variations, I believe, yeah, with caffeine. So there's some room there to protect their listing a little bit. If we scroll down, we've got one here for another one of their products. There's another one here, but a lot of other stuff coming in the sponsored section, which makes sense because it seems like a popular brand that's getting a lot of traffic here. So they got the brand story. Looks like there's a pre-workout as well, and then protein. And so they have the traditional A+ content here, not the premium. So fast-acting full-body recovery, developed by Navy SEALs, made in the USA. All good selling points. Daily recovery protein, extremely portable. Again, same reason. Stay unbreakable. Lots of amino acids. So this looks pretty good. And then again, exactly, they have the comparison chart down on the bottom, cross-promoting the other one. So ultra energized, the protein, and then the power protein energized as well. So yeah, these are a pre-workout, I guess, a little bit less protein. They got the caffeine, and then I think this one probably has, oh no, this one is caffeine free. And then this one has the caffeine. So come down, let's see what else, compare items, more videos, some more ads, and they got one of them in the ads here. And then the brand ad is not owned by them either. So pretty good listing though. Really good job with the content. Looks really clean, looks on brand. It has the right information. The bullet points read really good too. It has all of the right information that people might be looking for. This is a really good listing. So the only thing I would recommend for them is to obviously do a little bit better with their brand protection strategy in regards to advertising. They should definitely be taking up this slot on the listing and all the other big branded slots as well. So let's jump over to the mobile screen and see what everything looks like over there real quick, and then we can wrap this up. And let's just do the quick search for Frog Fuel and find this listing and take a look at the mobile setup that they've got. Looks like I actually did subscribe and save on this before I even knew that I liked them. So I'll be getting more of these in the future, I guess. All right, so again, images looked really good. We'll just swipe through them here again. All of the information that somebody needs to make a decision. They did a really good job handling that and presenting that. So again, just to see the photos on the mobile platform, they got their variations set up, good clean names. They've got subscribe and save set up. I think they had a coupon before. I don't see it now. Thought they had a coupon before. Again, so similar items. We're getting stuff from Amazon coming in here, bundles. And then, yeah, on the mobile, it doesn't look like they're winning the ad placement and the sponsored section below. So again, might want to look into that if you're Frog Fuel and you see this. Bullet points, again, all of the information is here. It's pretty good. Specifications: sugar-free, fat-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, lactose-free, non-GMO. 24 per box, and I think it was about, what, 40 something dollars, so a little under $2 per packet. That's pretty good as far as, if you go to the gas station and grab a protein shake or muscle milk, something like that is going to be probably more than under $2. So good price point. And let's keep going down. So here is the brand story, the pre-workout, and then the recovery with both caffeine and no caffeine. 80 milligrams of caffeine is not a ton. That's like maybe a cup or two. I think maybe 2 cups or so, or 2 espressos, I think, is about 80 milligrams. So it's not a ton of caffeine either. Like, you get one of these energy drinks and they have 250 or 300 milligrams of caffeine. That's a lot. All right, so here's the A+ content again. The only thing I would say, I guess, for these guys is update this to premium A+ content. You can get a lot nicer modules. You can get some stuff that formats better. You could see on the screen here some of this stuff below, like 0 grams, 15 grams, and 22, the carbohydrates, protein, and amino acids. I need to put the phone pretty close. You can't zoom on this. And A+ content to read it. Same with the daily recovery protein. There's a lot here. I can read it on my phone. It's not too bad, but if you had A+ content or premium A+ content, then you can reformat these for the mobile optimization, and it could be a little easier to read and digest. So again, comparison chart coming through nice. This is nice and big. And then, yeah, the rest of the ads here, we got one of them coming in, and another one down here. And then for the brand, we don't have the brands. Oh, there's the brand in this category. So they do have some ads there. Maybe they just need to increase their bids a little bit. So yeah, pretty good listing. Lots of good reviews. Lots of customers leaving photos and things like that. So overall, really good job, Frog Fuel. A couple of things I would say are the advertising on your listing, protecting your own real estate, something you might want to look into, and then upgrading to the premium A+ content. And so if you're Frog Fuel and you see this and you need any help in any of this stuff with your Amazon store, reach out. Our calendar link is going to be in the description down below. And if this is a product that you might be interested in buying, we do have an Amazon associate or affiliate store set up, and the link to this product is going to be down below in the description as well. And we will get a small commission if you buy through that link, but hopefully this video is worth it for you, and hopefully you learned something about Amazon and about Frog Fuel. And that's it for now, so we'll see you in the next one.